guys, my name is Trishna, and as you already read the title, today I'll be reviewing W Cosmetics because they sent me so much of stuff and I had to review, and this is the look that I have created using all of the products that they sent me. So without doing a lot of talking, let's get on the video and see how I have created this look. So first things first, I've tied my hair already because it's hot. So I'm going to start off with this palette first. So I'm going to go in for the darker shade because I'm wearing a nice yellow, so I wanted something dark. So I'm going to start off with the darker shade, and the pigmentation is pretty amazing. And when I say it's highly pigmented, this is what I mean. It's perfect for everyday wear. So as you can see, both the side of my eyes are done. I'm going to go in with the shimmer shade and I'm going to go with this golden because I'm wearing a yellow. So I'm just going to take very little of it and use my fingers to apply, because as you can see, a little bit goes a long way. You can see the glow already. It just looks amazing and subtle at the same time. So now that I'm done with my eyes, I'm going to go in straight into my face and I'm going to use this palette, which is a face palette, and I'm going to start off with the contouring first. So now that the contouring is done, it's looking nice and I kept it very minimal. I'm going to go in with the blush right here. So now that I'm done with the blush, I've kept it very minimal. I'm going to go in with a highlighter, and the highlighter is the Hero product, is what I feel. Can you see the difference? Like, I've not applied anything over here and that glow is absolutely amazing. Next, I'm going to go in with the final step, which is the lipstick. So this is the lipstick that I'm going for, which is Vita Enrich Long Wear Lipstick. It's more of a matte, like a satin matte kind of finish. It's not very satin as well, and the shade is pretty amazing. This is how the shade looks like, and the shade is called Pink Sink. So this is the final look that I have created using the entire range of W Cosmetics, and all of the products that I have used are Vita Enrich with vitamin A, E and C, and it is clean beauty, it is vegan, and it is cruelty free. So do let me know in the comments below, what do you think about this look? Will you be able to wear this look every single day? Because I would, and I love the way the look has turned out. I will be linking down all the products that I have used in the description below, so do not forget to check that out as well.